Hello everybody, today I will show you how to update AMD drivers on Windows 11 and 10. Well, the first step is to check what GPU we have. Search for Run. Now look for DXDAG. And here in Display 1, we'll see our card and verify that it's AMD. Okay, now we'll go to Google. Search AMD GPU drivers download. Click on the first one. Download. Right-click, Run as administrator. Install. Here, we will verify that our GPU is shown as we saw at the beginning. Install, and we will wait. Well, once finished, it is probable that the screen will turn off and then turn on. I was cut off the recording. But as you can see, everything is already installed. To check it, we will go here and see the AMD program. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.